My name is Brian Reed. I'm the Chief Mobility Officer here at NowSecure. So what makes NowSecure unique? Well, it really starts with our mission to save the world from unsafe mobile apps. And that really helps about helping organizations ensure the security and privacy of the mobile applications they build and the mobile applications they use. And ultimately, it's about enabling a business to move faster and deliver secure applications faster. What makes us unique is what we bring to the table. We have amazing expertise with more than 10 years in mobile pen testing, mobile forensic, and mobile tools development that outpaces pretty much any knowledge and skill set in the industry. We have the creators of some of the top open source mobile testing and mobile reversing tools with Frida and Radari and a world-class research team. We have an impressive pen testing team who's pen tested literally thousands of applications using sophisticated approaches that really are the highest bar to deliver consistent manual pen testing, and we've actually taken their experiences and expertise and baked them into the product. And so really, NowSecure is all about mobile app security that experts trust and DevOps leaders love while they're on the mission to save the world from unsafe mobile apps.